28 Mayıs 2022. Saat akşamüstü 19. Orlando, Florida. 19 yaşındaki Sebastian Superlev, Millenia alışveriş merkezinde dikkat çekici bir şekilde sarhoş görünüyordu. Ancak bilmeyenler için iki önemli detay: Florida'da yasal içki içme yaşı 21'dir ve kamusal alanda sarhoş olmak yasa dışıdır. Orlando Polis Departmanı'ndan bir memur, durumu pek iyi görünmeyen Sebastian'ı fark etti. İlk gözaltına alınma sürecine kadar olan detaylar raporlarda çok fazla yer almadı. Ancak birazdan dinleyeceğimiz konuşmalar Sebastian'ın sarhoş halde kadınlara yaklaştığı iddialarını ortaya koyuyor.
Yo, Atlanta Police, stop. Stop. Because you have an open container of alcohol. In public, you can't have an open container of alcohol. Give me your alcohol. Give me your ID. Your ID.
I don't have it on me.
Where's your ID?
I left it at home.
How old are you? Not 21.
Yeah.
Right. I can have you arrested right now. I should arrest you. How old are you? You're 19?
Yes, sir.
Right. Step over here. You ever been issued a Florida ID?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for work?
I work at a warehouse.
You spilled my coffee, you can owe me now.
My bad.
You're not free to leave, okay?
I'm not under arrest, am I?
No, you're being detained.
Does that mean cuffs?
No. What's your social? What are you doing at the mall?
I'm just walking around trying to shop. Have a good time while I'm on the weekend, you know? It's an honest mistake. I understand.
Okay. You're not trying to pick up anybody?
No, sir.
Okay.
I mean, women, yeah. Just having a good time.
You think it's appropriate to walk up to a group of young girls and ask their ages right away?
I was just trying to verify their age before I
I looked at them. You don't think they were definitely minors?
I didn't intend to.
Right. You don't look like a minor.
Yeah.
You've got a sleeve of tattoos.
Yeah.
That tells me you're at least above 18.
Yeah, it's my mistake. I was trying to verify
You
their
don't
age
think that's kind of
before
weird?
I approached them. Yeah, I understand. I was just trying to verify their age before I approached them. You know?
That's how you approach women nowadays? You just go up to them and ask them how old they are? Straight up?
Yeah, so I don't have to, I don't want to be in the wrong there, you know?
Oscar 356 on the cell type. 29P my number.
Go ahead. Stand by.
Echo 81 on the list.
Stand by. Echo 81.
You ever been arrested? No? You going to school or anything or what?
I'm trying to go to school for bar
Trying or you what?
I'm trying, man. You know, it's not that easy.
For what vehicle?
Yankee 45 to Quebec Echo. The white license.
That's a law.
It's not showing in the horizon.
Just running a wants and warrants, make sure you don't have any crazy warrants or anything like that. And I'm going to get you out of here with just a verbal warning on the alcohol, okay? I'm going to suggest you don't approach women in that manner.
Yes, sir.
Or you can approach women however you want.
Yeah.
Children, that's weird. And that's when I got an issue with it. You understand that?
I understand.
Those were children.
Yeah.
I copy 11 cars. Vehicle is Sebastian Bravo 55. Gonna be a red Chevy. Gonna have a tag of Quebec, Kilo Lima, November 83 out of Florida. As the eastbound over the car, Young, AM 55, broken 1907.
I'm also giving you a warning for your possession of alcohol, being under 21.
Bravo 12, my colleague.
Appreciate that.
Bravo 12. You copy at 2829 out of Florida. Go with the time. Time 7 Bravo, Lima Mike Echo.
Where you parked at?
I came here through Uber.
Through Uber?
Yes.
171-04-0080. What was the letter?
How are you gonna get home?
Uber back.
Where you live?
I live in near the McCoy area on the east side. You know where that is?
You Ubered from there over here?
Yes.
Didn't come back. Can
I
you
was just
send
trying to find a new mall, you know.
97 Bravo, Lima Mike Echo.
Where'd you get the alcohol from?
Me, from a friend.
Oscar
That's
356.
21. We were clubbing yesterday, and he had left it in my house. So I
Double
just
leader
took it.
Roman, it's 54, not appearing, valid ID card.
Copy. Alright man, this is what I'm gonna suggest. I'm gonna suggest you leave the mall, okay?
Yeah, I'll leave
that
the
way
mall.
we don't get any more issues about you,
Yeah.
you don't get into any trouble, you're already intoxicated, you're out here, you're doing dumb things, approaching young women.
Yeah.
Okay? Or young girls.
That's the exit, right?
There's an exit over there, there's an exit over here.
Okay.
So you choose. Yep.
Sebastian, gözaltı süreci boyunca oldukça gergin görünüyordu. Polis kayıtlarına göre Sebastian'ın normal bir sabıka
Hey
kaydı
Sebastian,
vardı.
before you go,
Ancak
you're
herhangi
free to
bir
leave and
arama
everything.
emri
You
veya
have
ciddi
anything on
bir
you that
suç
would,
geçmişi bulunmuyordu. Belki de bu
drugs, guns,
gerginliğin
bonds, anything
sebebi
like that?
o anki sarhoşluğu
Okay.
ve polisle ilk kez
So you have some
karşılaşmış
weed on you?
olmanın verdiği
No, not
tedirginlikti.
anymore.
Okay. Do you mind if I conduct a search of your person real quick?
I don't think you can.
I'm asking.
No.
What do you have inside your bag?
Just some stuff that I need to get home.
Okay. Do you mind showing me?
No, I don't have to.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Nope. Next time I see you here,
Okay.
I see it. It's a jar, and it's got a little bit of weed in it.
Okay.
You think I'm
I just
dumb?
finished it.
Okay.
With the. when I
Is that what's
took it.
inside your bag?
Yeah. That's it.
Just the weed?
Yeah.
Okay. Take off your bag. Don't resist. You're gonna make it a lot worse than you need to. Take off your bag.
Sir, please.
Don't make this worse. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Memur, Sebastian'ın çantasını kontrol etmek istediğinde tereddüt etti. Bu tereddütün nedeni çantasında çalıntı bir ateşli silah bulunmasıydı. Başlangıçta memur Sebastian'ı kovalamıyor gibi görünse de olaylar hızla tırmanmaya başladı.
He's got a gun. He's just shot at me.
Signal 43. Oscar 356. Mount Millennia.
He's running. He's
Memur
going towards.
ateşe karşılık
He's going towards
vermedi
Millennia
çünkü
Convoy.
etrafta çok fazla
Hotel
insan
Mike.
vardı ve
White
halkın
shirt, blue
güvenliği
jeans. He got a
konusunda
black hand
endişeliydi.
bag. He pulled out black signal 0. He's in the Bay parking lot. I lost eyes on him.
The channel.
He just crossed Conroy right now. He's got to be somewhere around here. I'm in a foot pursuit with him.
You stay where you last saw and I'll set it up.
Stop! Go!
Saldırgan olay yerinden hızla uzaklaşarak gözden kayboldu. Yetkililer onun masum insanlara zarar verme ihtimalinden endişe duyuyor. Şehirde bir korku dalgası yaratan bu kaçış, polisin geniş çaplı bir arama operasyonu başlatmasına neden oldu. Her an yeni bir şiddet olayının patlak vermesinden korkulurken halka dikkatli olun çağrıları yapılıyor.
chase. Miles in a line. Flag is running north through the center of the complex. I'm outside about this. Give the officer the channel. He just crossed Conway right now. He's got to be somewhere around here. I'm in a foot pursuit with him. You stay where you last saw him and I'll set it up.
Sebastian önce İtalyan restoranına saklanmıştı. Polislerin geldiğini görünce oradan da kaçmaya başladı ve kovalamaca devam ediyor.
Black hair, no facial hair, tattoos.
What color's his shirt?
White. He's got tattoos all on his right arm.
Hey, you see a guy running?
Where are you? I'm at Conway Watergun. Conway Watergun.
Jesus Christ. Hey! Get down! Everybody get down! Get down! Get down! Everybody get back! Get back! He's over there! Behind the white SUV! White SUV!
We're in a gunfight right now.
Don't move!
He's behind the white SUV! White SUV!
White SUV.
Move up! Move up!
He's down!
Move up!
He's 7! He's down!
Yo, hold on. Stand by. Stand by.
Take cover.
Watch the car! Start
Go.
Where is he? Where is he?
Got all the units. Get the on guard.
He's down!
Stand by. Stand up.
Hey, get empty out here.
Hold on.
He's 7 obvious.
We're from
We're in front of Olive Garden in the parking lot. Olive Garden in the parking lot. 1215, give me the channel. I need all units to shut down traffic on Millennia. Going in front of them all.
Hey, set it up!
Hey, don't block over there. Don't let any cars through this way.
Get over to a channel.
God damn, bro.
Leave it here for now.
Someone's fucking chasing somebody. Don't speak on the goddamn radio. Fuck.
Hey, check back. Make sure they hit nobody, guys. Check that way. Make sure. Hey, check the restaurant. The bullets went in the window, guys.
I got it right here.
Get it clean down, Conway.
You good, man?
Come on.
Where's your car?
I'm back at the mall.
Do you want Conway shut down that car?
Get in this Tahoe thing out.
You all right? I'm good, man.
Hey, Green, can you get another channel for the traffic?
too? I shot him.
Okay. But your gun is still out?
Yeah.
Decock it. Decock. Holster. Alright. You okay?
Yeah.
1215, 1214.
Hey, can we get tape? Start taping it off?
Erica, you got him? Where's your truck at? Right there. Let's go sit in your truck. You got water? You got a drink?
Yeah, I got it.
1215, 1214. Guys. I'm gonna go to the scene. You can take the other channel and shut down the traffic, please.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, this is me. You shot at me.
I'm gonna take you over involved. We'll remain on scene, but he's not looking like you're off here.
Go relax.
Sorry. Unlock your car and put him in your car.
Warren, I'm 10-12. We're getting called.
Yeah, I shot him return fire.
It's okay.
You're all right. Come.
1215, there. Go ahead. Which is in signal 43.
We still need 43.
We got it. Everybody else is coming to the team. Can slow down. We have plenty of cops here.
Çatışmaya katılan polis memuru küçük bir yara aldı. Ancak Sebastian o kadar şanslı. Olay yerine vardığında birkaç dakika içinde hayatını kaybedeceğinden habersizdi. Ölüm nedeni polisin ateş etmesi değil, kendi kendine aldığı bir hayati karardı. Soruşturma hala devam ediyor. Ancak doğruyu söylemek gerekirse çok fazla detaya ulaşamadık. Polisin söylediği tek şey soruşturmanın tamamlandığı yönünde.